Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Epic Light on Volkswagen and Audi. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now, when the Audi Epic Light is illuminated in your vehicle, you might also be encountering difficulties with acceleration while trying to comprehend the meaning behind the Audi Epic Light. Typically, an epic light appears when there's a power loss in the vehicle. If the computer in your Audi detects problems with your components or the throttle system, it may decrease power output to ease the strain on the engine. Now, if you've ever driven a manual transmission car and experienced a stall, you could sense a similar feeling in your new Audi. Now, the recommended course of action when an Audi Epic Light comes on is to take your vehicle to the service department. So technicians can identify the issue with the Epic Light and address or replace any malfunctioning component, and have your back on the road with a vehicle that offers a custom acceleration. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.